Hello, my name is Barry Simons, and I'm the Wide Format Product Marketing Manager for Xerox Corporation. And today, I'm going to introduce to you the newest editions of the Xerox family of digital wide format solutions. Now, in May of 2004, Xerox launched the 6050 and the 6030 wide format copier printers. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the 6050 and run a few jobs to demonstrate the impressive capabilities. The 6050 and 6030 are powerful and versatile monochrome wide format solutions that are perfect for the technical CAD environment. They offer benchmark 600 by 1200 dpi image quality and a host of features that make the wide format users more productive than ever before. Now, these solutions bolster an already strong portfolio of Xerox monochrome wide format products and represent a full commitment to this market. And they'll be fully supported by our industry-leading international sales, service, and supplies organization. So let's take a look at the 6050. There are two products within this family, the 6050 and the 6030. The 6050 runs at a speed of 9D or A1 size drawings per minute, while the 6030 runs at 6D or A1 size drawings per minute. Now, in addition, the 6050 has two drawers, each holding 2 rolls of media for a total capacity of 4 rolls, while the 6030 has 1 drawer holding 2 rolls of media. Both the 6050 and the 6030 are offered in a choice of 3 configurations: the printer-only configuration without a scanner, the copier printer configuration that includes a scanner in a single footprint, and the printer with the Xerox Scan System configuration that includes a freestanding color network scanner and an access controller. In addition, a high-capacity stacker and a bypass tray may be added as accessories. One of the outstanding features of the 6050 is its ease of use. This touchscreen user interface allows the 6050 to be operated by even casual users. A dedicated operator is no longer required to make copies or prints of business-critical documents. The 6050 user interface has several selections corresponding to the type of document you would like to copy. As you can see, there are settings for line drawings, combination line and picture, picture, photograph, line drawings with a dark background, line drawings on a transparent background, line drawings from a Diazo original, and cut and paste line drawings. This means that documents can be reproduced at the point of need without unnecessary delays. So let's run a few jobs. First, the 6050 has outstanding image quality. It prints up to 600 by 1200 dpi, the highest resolution in this market segment. And the 6.4 micron toner means that even the thinnest of lines will be copied and easily seen. In addition, the 6050 includes an automatic background suppression for documents that have a dark background which needs to be eliminated to bring out the important data the documents contain. Now, to demonstrate the image quality, notice how easy it is to reproduce this difficult-to-copy document. Choose the appropriate selection, and the 6050 will then program the image settings that will yield the highest quality reproduction. That's all there is to it, and 6050 will now take over and create an outstanding copy. Very often, originals of different sizes must be copied on either the same size as the original or onto a common size. This can be a time-consuming job, but the ease with which the 6050 can perform this task is impressive. Here we have 3 original documents of different sizes, D, C, and B size documents. When you select the auto mode on the user interface, you will see a matrix that allows you to program the size of the originals and the size you would like your output to be. In this case, let's make all the output to be on B so that the copies can be distributed to field locations. Just select Start and begin feeding the originals. Now the 6050 will choose the appropriate reduction or enlargement mode to ensure all the documents will fit. As you can see, the documents have been all copied onto a B-sized paper. powerful feature of the 6050 is the sample copy mode. Sample copy is used for originals where it may be difficult to determine the appropriate image quality settings for optimum results. Typically, an operator would have to use a trial and error process, wasting valuable time and materials. Sample copy enables the testing of up to 9 image quality settings in a single pass. First, select the original type and then select sample copy. By selecting output range setting and part output density, you can tell the 6050 the part of the document you want to sample. Make the selection and hit done. Now simply make the copy by hitting the familiar green start button. So let's take a look. The 6050 has given us 9 different image quality settings to choose from. Suppose this is the setting we want. The 6050 has kept the image in memory, so to retrieve it, select Copy from Memory. No need to rescan. Now simply make the density selection corresponding to the image choice and hit the Start button. Now here's the output without wasting time or supplies. Finally, let's look at an additional scanning feature provided by the Xerox scan system, which includes the access controller. The Xerox scan system offers production scanning capabilities that allow you to scan in several file formats, including PDF. Another strong feature of this scanner is its color capability. Suppose you have a color map here that you would like to scan back to the network and store for later use. First, choose the Scan to File mode on the scanner user interface. Then, store the image in this folder called Images. Because we have a color document, you can choose the color mode here. You can even choose what file format to save it as. In this case, we will store it as a TIFF. And finally, you can choose the resolution of the file. We will choose 400 dpi. Now, just scan the document to the Images folder we have previously selected. Now let's go over to the PC and see how we did. You can now retrieve the document in 2 ways. First, use a web browser and simply type in the IP address. Here's the image file. Now simply drag and drop it onto the PC and store it wherever you would like. The document is now available to print to a color printer or send through email for distribution. You can also retrieve the document using Access Client Tools. Open Client Tools on the PC. Client Tools can be configured to pull the Images folder and automatically pull the file onto the PC. It's that simple. So there you have it, the Xerox 6050 and 6030, the newest additions to the Xerox family of digital wide format solutions, with benchmark image quality and several outstanding features to make you more productive. All in a small footprint to fit on your shop floor or office space.